Ever wondered how to make buttermilk at home? Well, today you're in luck. We're about to unravel the simplicity and cost-effectiveness of creating your own homemade buttermilk. Picture this. All you need are two humble ingredients, milk and a bit of vinegar or lemon juice. That's right, just two ingredients away from creating that tangy, creamy delight we all love. No more store runs when you run out of buttermilk. So are you ready to start your buttermilk making journey? Let's dive right in. Now, making buttermilk at home is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's begin by gathering our ingredients. All you'll need is 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice and 1 cup of milk. That's right, just 2 simple ingredients to create this culinary staple. Now on to the first step. Take a clean, dry cup and pour in your 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Any kind of vinegar will do, but white vinegar or apple cider vinegar tend to be the most popular choices. If you're using lemon juice, make sure it's freshly squeezed for the best results. Next, let's move on to the milk. Pour your 1 cup of milk directly into the cup with the vinegar or lemon juice. It's important to note that you can use any type of milk, whole, skim, or even non-dairy alternatives. This means you can cater this recipe to your dietary needs or preferences. Once your ingredients are together, it's time for step 2. Mix the vinegar or lemon juice and milk together. You can use a spoon or a small whisk to do this. Stir until the ingredients are well combined. Now the magic happens in step 3. Let your mixture sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. During this time, the acid from the vinegar or lemon juice will react with the milk, causing it to curdle. This process is what transforms your regular milk into tangy, creamy buttermilk. After 10 minutes, give your mixture a quick stir. You'll notice that the texture has changed. It should now be slightly thickened, with little curdled bits throughout. This is your homemade buttermilk. Remember, this buttermilk can be used in a variety of recipes, from pancakes and biscuits to salad dressings and marinades. It's a versatile ingredient that adds a rich, tangy flavor to your dishes. And there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, you've made your very own buttermilk at home. Easy, isn't it? So, to quickly recap the process of making homemade buttermilk, all it takes is adding a splash of vinegar or a squeeze of lemon juice to milk and then letting it sit until it curdles. It's as simple as that. This process isn't just easy. It also gives you total control over your ingredients, and there you go. You've mastered the art of making homemade buttermilk. Remember, the best recipes are those made with love and creativity. So go ahead and add your new skill to your culinary repertoire. Until next time, happy cooking.